Welcome back, children. Once again, this is Ansu here. This time we are going to see the third part of advanced formatting in MS Word. Today we are going to talk about indenting text, paragraph alignment, column formatting, and using the format painter. What is indenting text? The indent feature allows you to indent text towards the left or right. You can indent the whole paragraph or only the first line of the paragraph. Indenting means moving a paragraph towards the left or towards the right depending on your choice. You can either move the whole paragraph to the left or right, or you can either move only the line to the left or right. Steps to indent a paragraph. Open the document in which you want to add indentation. Select the paragraph which you want to change the indent. To increase the indent on the Home tab, from the paragraph group, click Increase Indent icon. To decrease the indent on the Home tab, from the paragraph group, click the Decrease Indent icon. That is, if you want to indent a paragraph, what you do is first you open your document. Then you select the paragraph that you need. Then what you do is you go to the Home tab. In the Home tab, you have to look for the paragraph group. In that, if you want to increase indent, you have to press on the Increase Indent option. If you want to decrease, you can press on the Decrease Indent option. To indent only the first line of the paragraph. We already discussed that. If you want to indent, you can do it in two ways. That is, you can either indent the whole paragraph or you can indent only the starting of the paragraph. Open the document in which you want to change the indentation. Select the required paragraph. On the Home tab, from the paragraph group, click the Launcher. The paragraph dialog box appears. Select the Indents and Spacing tab. Under Indentation, from the special drop-down list, click the first line. From the By Spin box, select the amount of spaces you want to add and click OK and save your document. That is what you have to do is you have to select the line that you want to do the indentation. Then you have to go to the Home tab. From the Home tab, you have to click on the Launcher in the paragraph group, and paragraph dialog box appears. In that, there is an Indents and Spacing tab. In that, you have to select the first line option. And in that, an arrow comes. That is a spin box. You have to click on it and select the number of spaces that you want. Then click OK and save your document. Now, paragraph alignment. Now we are going to talk about paragraph alignment. Paragraph alignment is the way in which lines of a paragraph are displayed. How your paragraph is being displayed depends on paragraph alignment. So there are different types of alignments for paragraphs. They are listed above: left, center, right, and justify. There are four ways to align your document. They are left, center, right, and justify. Then left, what it does is it aligns the contents to the left margin. This is the default alignment of an MS Word document. Whatever you type in an MS Word document, it will be first aligned to the left. So it is the default alignment of MS Word document. Center aligns the contents in the center of the document. Center alignment is generally used to add titles of the document. If you want anything in the center of the page, then you use the center alignment. It is basically used to add titles to the document. Next is right alignment. It aligns the content to the right margin. Right alignment is used to add header and footer. If you want to add a heading note or something or page number in the end, that is the footer. Mostly page numbers are entered as footers. So for those purposes, you can use the right alignment. Then there is something called justify. It distributes the text evenly on both margins. It gives you the text equally on all sides. Justify alignment gives a clean look to the document. It adjusts the spaces in between the words and gives you a document that is very clean to read. Now let's talk about steps to apply paragraph formatting. You need to select the required text. On the Home tab, from the paragraph group, click on the required paragraph formatting option. There are lots of options available. From that, you can select the required paragraph formatting option that you need. Column formatting. In column formatting, the text is displayed in more than one columns like in newspapers. Have you seen a newspaper? I hope you have, right? In that you can see that lots of columns are there in a single page. Every data is put into small columns. What does it do? It makes you feel like reading as it is not spread across in one single line. It is easier for you to read and digest the data. So it increases the readability of the document. By default, MS Word displays text in one column. When you type a text in your MS Word, it will always be represented in one column. So it is the default mode in MS Word. You can change the display to more than one column using column formatting feature. If you want, you can add more than one columns to your text to make it better for your reading purposes. Steps to format text in columns. Select the text that you want to format. Click on the Page Layout tab. From the page setup, click on the Columns icon. The Columns menu appears. Select the required option. If you want to increase the columns in it, you have to select your text first. Then you have to go to the Page Layout tab. Then from Page Setup, you have to go for the Columns icon. And from that, lots of options are there. There will be 2-column option, 3-column option. From that, how much you want, you can click and select. Using the Format Painter. MS Word provides many formatting options. You can apply multiple formatting styles to a single piece of text. However, if you want to repeat the same formatting at multiple places, reapplying all the options each time can be consuming. In such cases, you want to use the Format Painter tool. That is, in MS Word, there are a lot of ways to format your text. In a text, if you should consider pages of it, in that you want to select a particular word in it and give the same formatting to that multiple number of times, it will be difficult for you because every time you have to find the word, select the word and do all the different formattings that you need on the same word, or you can do it on a set of text also. But the problem is, every time while doing, you might forget something or another when you're doing it on a huge number. In those cases, the Format Painter allows you to simplify your work. The Format Painter allows you to copy the formatting of a piece of text or image to another selected text or image. Whatever you have done for formatting one part of the content, you can select it, and using the Format Painter, you can apply it n number of times. That is how many number of times you want across any other text that is available in the document. The Format Painter copies all the formatting, including the font color, font size, indentations, bullets, line spacing, etc. Whatever you have done as formatting in your document can be copied from the source to the different places that you require and applies it to the next piece of text you select. Wherever you need to apply, it will apply the same formatting. Steps to change the formatting using Format Painter. Select the text that contains the formatting you want to copy. On the Home tab, from the Clipboard group, click the Format Painter icon. The pointer changes into a paintbrush icon. Now select the text to which you want to apply the selected formatting. The formatting of the copied text is applied to the selected text. You can apply formatting from different documents or the same one. Format Painter can also be applied to images to change the formatting of a picture border and indentation. This is very simple. You know the clipboard group in Home tab, right? You can select the formatting area that you want to copy into different places. You have to click on the clipboard option in the Home tab. From that, you will find an icon called Format Painter. When you click on it, a brush sign will come. Then you move across the new set of area where you want to apply the same formatting, and you can click on it. Those areas will be converted to the same formatting that you have done before. So that is how the Format Painter works. With this, we come to the end of today's presentation and this chapter also. Please go through these contents and understand it very carefully. Thank you.